As a YouTuber or video streamer, you know how important it is to create video content that catches your audience. You not only strive to capture interesting content, you also seek extraordinary angles. When it comes to mic and monitor mounting, Yellowtech's rewarded Mica mounting system is unrivaled. We broaden our horizon to address creation of video content. Check out the new extension for the Mica system, the Mica CamStat. Mica CamStat is exactly the right choice for quick and smart camera integration. Easily integrate your camera into your Mica setup. Enjoy ultimate freedom. Learn how to move your camera wherever and whenever you want. With the CamStat, you make your camera a core part of your Mica setup. To unlimit your options, we rethought camera mounts. The result is a whole new kind of mount that can be used both ways, standing upright or hanging down. Choose which option better fits your purpose. Either way, you get maximum flexibility to create the camera setup that you really need. Let's have a closer look at the Mica CamStat itself. As a universal and elegant camera mount, it combines smart and sleek product design with flexible integration options. With Mica CamStat, you can adapt to all relevant mounting standards. Mount the camera to a standard 1/4 inch thread. The CamStat holds cameras with up to 2 kg. Set and optimize your camera's orientation in the blink of an eye. Thanks to the CamStat's high-precision ball joint, positioning your camera has never been more precise and easy at the same time. Mica CamStat offers maximum flexibility, even for extreme camera angles. You want to make a video that shows what's going on your desk? No problem. Simply swivel its ball joint to change the camera angle by up to 90 degrees. Don't apply excessive force when fixing the position of the ball joint. The high-precision design secures a perfect fit. It will never slip. Mica CamStat comes with a pack of mounting accessories. They assure the integration to any Mica setup. 2 mounting adapters are included. You get a 5/8 inch adapter to attach your CamStat to Mica mic arms. The M14 adapter is designed to attach your Mica CamStat to a Mica system pole, Mica pole adapter or lid riser. On top, you get a yellow mounting sting. You will learn more about it later. It's a great idea to mount Mica CamStat to a Mica mic arm. Use the 5/8 inch adapter to easily mount your Mica CamStat to the arm. Let the slit point outwards and use any simple coin for fixation. Then attach the CamStat to your Mica arm. This gets you extreme flexibility for a quick change of your camera's position. There is no easier way to quickly adjust your frame. Another option is to mount Mica CamStat in an upright standing position. Place it on top of Mica system pole or lid riser. To mount the Mica CamStat on top of a Mica system pole, use the M14 adapter in combination with the yellow mounting sting. The sting serves as connection part between the Mica CamStat and other Mica elements. Connect the sting with the M14 adapter to attach it to your Mica CamStat. If you want, attach a lid spoiler to the other end of the mounting sting to achieve a smooth junction between your CamStat and other Mica elements. If you want to use a lid spoiler, please remove the lower black O-ring of the mounting sting and put it back in its previous position afterwards. Put some lubricant on the black O-ring and simply slide the mounting sting into a Mica system pole. Alternatively, you can also slide the mounting sting into a Mica pole adapter. It is attached to one of the Mica pole's full height grooves. Or slide it into a lid riser of your choice. There's also a lid riser with lock screw. Use it to mount the riser to your ceiling to let your CamStat and camera hang down. Mica CamStat is available in black and aluminum. Both versions perfectly match the sleek and anodized design of the whole Mica mounting system. Choose all the Mica elements you need and create your individual setup. With Mica CamStat, you can easily add any kind of camera. you get maximum flexibility. There's no need to find do-it-yourself camera mounting solutions anymore. Check out our Meeka playlist to learn more about all the intelligent mounting options provided by the Meeka mounting system.